Hello everyone, I'm Nimmy from Nimmy Set. Today we're going to learn watercolor painting, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to choose bright colors and how to apply textures. So let's get started. First I'm going to draw a curved line from here to this point, somewhere around the middle of the paper, okay? And then I'm drawing another line just below it. And in the middle we have to draw a small pathway for walking. Now we will draw one horizontal line for the leg. And on the other side of the horizontal line we can draw a small land. And behind that we can add some rectangle shape for buildings. And on the sides of this hill, I'm going to add some trees. So trees are very simple, just one straight line or one small rectangle with a big oval shape. And I'm going to add one more here. One more. I'm going to draw a person walking with his dog in the street, okay? So we have to draw some stick figure. Circle forehead and just a tiny neck and rectangle or square shaped body and two rectangles for the legs. So he's walking, so one leg is this way, the other leg is this way. So we will draw a rectangle like this. And it's a side view, so we have to draw one hand that goes like this. And the other hand is here. One straight line here in the middle and a small plus sign here close to this side. And on either side of this we have to draw eye and tiny nose in the middle and mouth. Okay, then ear on this side with C shape. So if you want to make it a girl, you can add ponytail. Then we will draw the dog. So dog is a small rectangle shape or small oval shaped body with head. So that is a circle and a small tiny straight line plus oval. Ear is this U shape and eye is very tiny dot, a tiny thin tail, and legs are like rectangle shape. Maybe mobile in her hand. And if you have a Sharpie or a permanent marker, you can outline it. I'm also adding a small boat here in the water. So I'm going to add some big clouds here and some smaller clouds closer to the horizon. And I'm starting with a blue color for the sky. And this is the color I'm using for the sky. It is Prussian blue. And I'm painting the water with the same color. Now clean the brush, wait for a few minutes. So this is completely dry. Now we can take colors for this area. So I'm taking some lemon yellow, plus a little bit of Verdian green. First I will do a little bit of yellow here. Then I'll take this green color. And I'm going for another green for these trees. I'm mixing some yellow ochre plus little bit of that Verdian green. For the road, you can simply take just this yellow ochre. So this is dry. Now we're going to take a small brush and we are making a lighter gray color. So you can take a little bit of blue, any blue, and add some orange or cadmium red, something like this. So we'll get a dark purple like color and take a little bit of that color to a clean area. Clean the brush and add some water. And we can take this gray color for adding some shadows on the cloud. Verdian green plus yellow ochre shadow lines on this area. And we can take some yellow ochre for the face, brown color for the dog, and some bright colors for the clothes. And dark brown color for the hair. And some dark brown lines and dots on the pathway. Finally, I'm going to take some purple. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.